Hello, can you hear me? I'm in Casablanca dreaming of the way things used to be when we were young and free. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done or not done. I'm not dead yet. That's what Big Granny used to say, just to get us to go and visit her. How's everyone doing? Alhamdulillah ala kulli hal. I'm doing very well. Shout out to Pascal. Quinn. Inna Allahi wa inna Alayhi Rajiun. Abu. Uncle Pascal. And Uncle Philip. And Uncle Cartage. We won't go on about all the uncles. The aunties as well. I just like to say I am really, really not proud, but satisfied with God, what God has blessed me and my family with. So that's why today, as a born-again Christian, I'd like to say Assalamu alaikum, which means peace to you. I don't want to fight. I know how to fight. My daddy taught me. My daddy taught me how to fish. He also taught me how to shoot a gun, a double-barrel shotgun. Now, it wasn't a single-barreled one, because that's a rifle. That's the one that Desi had. Desi's gun. Where is it? We don't know. When you shoot a gun, and if there's a bullet in it, it has a unique mark. And when you use a knife and you stab somebody or you cut something, it also has a unique stamp. And when you're born, the doctor cuts the umbilical cord. That's right. What connects your mother with you. And everybody has an innie or an outie belly button based on what doctor they had. This is Dr. Rose coming to you live. Ramadan Radio 106.5. Staying alive, oh, in Morocco. With all the Berbers. There's a few Arabs here. A few Muslims, as Daddy would say. A few more Jews. Like my friend, the smoking Jew, Jennifer. Kyria, that's right, she's an East Sider as well. Am I East or West? You all know who I am. I'm the Queen of the North. Who's coming to the coronation? Who you bringing? That's what matters. Anyway, I need to go. Peace, love and blessings. Love you all. See you soon. Eid Mubarak.